3, 2, 1. He's licking!
I'm here! Whoa!
You are late, young dragon.
Say what? By like 3 seconds!
3 seconds or 3 hours! Late is late!
Ah, yes. Do you know what would look magnificent, stuffed and mounted on the wall of the Hunslayer?
Let me guess.
Whoa! I'm cool.
A pair of dragon skins?
Today, we will begin old-school dragon training.
Yo, bring it, G. What are we starting with today? Extreme aerial maneuvers, a little fireball action? I'm ready to rock over here.
Begin in bathroom.
Say what?
You must clean toilet using circular motion. First clockwise, then counterclockwise.
If you say so.
Not with hand. You must clean toilet using only dragon tongue.
My tongue? On that? Haha, nuh-uh, no way. Forget about it.
Are you not dragon student? Did you not pledge to obey dragon master?
I really don't remember every single thing that we had agreed upon totally. I am all about obeying. Whatever you say, whenever you say it. Oh, man, you cannot be serious.
Circular motion. First clockwise, then counterclockwise.
This is nasty. It will throw up.
Hurry up. Grandpa has more old-school training waiting.
Ugh, that's foul. Put it down, baby. Go, girl. That's what's up.
Oh, Jake, I think the toilet's gonna need a little touch-up.
You are done with training for today.
Training? You call this training? I call it being your houseboy. What's cleaning your toilet and sweeping your floor have to do with being the American dragon?
A seed does not question whether wind takes it.
In other words, listen to the old man, come back tomorrow, and get ready. Food Dog's gonna need a deep wrinkle massage. Wow.
I'm telling you, Mom, Grandpa has seriously lost it.
Yeah, Haley! You can chop the vegetables now.
All right! Check out my Japanese teppanyaki technique.
I mean, he's turned dragon training into gag me training. Days like today make me wish I could just be a normal human, like Dad.
Hey, who's that cow with a halo on
Haley,
her head?
lose the claws.
Senator made of gold, 'cause she's all grain-fed. Holy cow.
And, I use the term normal very loosely.
Moo. Hey, great news, familia! I just landed the Wholesome Heifer account, huh? Okay, Wholesome Heifer is the city's largest organic milk producer. The head honcho and his wife are coming over for dinner tomorrow night to seal the deal.
Congratulations, honey.
Daddy! Look at the violin concerto I composed at school today.
Oh, Peanut, that is so cute.
Mom, are we ever gonna tell Dad that he married into a family of magical reptiles?
Well, of course, dear. It's just that your father's always been so, you know. I think we need to wait for the right moment. A time when, a time when...
There's a spider on me! Get it off! Get it off! Oh, wait. Oh, it's just a fuzzy. False alarm.
A time when we think he can handle it.